This coffee tastes good.
You look more relaxed today.
What are you checking?
A short shopping list, very short.
Reusable bags again?
Yes, they are better for the environment.
I'm putting on my shoes slowly.
No rush today.
You look confident.
Because we have a plan.
The door closes quietly.
Calm start is good.
The elevator is going down.
Everything feels smooth.
The street is very quiet.
It's a good time to shop.
There's the supermarket.
Let's shop smart today.
The doors open automatically.
That saves time.
I'll take a small cart.
Good choice.
Why a small cart?
It helps us buy less.
The store looks quiet.
Less stress.
I see the store map.
We know where to go.
Which aisle first?
Produce.
I'll follow you.
Stay focused.
The cart moves smoothly.
Nice and easy.
We pass the bakery.
Not today.
Produce is right there.
Perfect.
Everything looks very organized.
That helps shoppers.
One lettuce.
Yes, just one.
I'm counting tomatoes.
Four is enough.
The cucumbers are straight.
That means fresh.
I place them gently.
Good habit.
These price tags are clear.
Compare before buying.
Cheaper items are lower.
Exactly.
I have to bend down.
That's how you save money.
I feel smarter already.
You are.
This is the meat section.
Yes, read carefully here.
Hot dogs again?
Just one pack.
I'm reading the label.
Good, always read labels.
I see the ingredients.
Ingredients tell the truth.
Cheese is here.
Compare sizes.
Small or large?
Large saves money.
I choose one large pack.
Good decision.
Eggs are here.
Check them.
No cracks.
Perfect.
This aisle has many cans.
Middle store area.
Tuna again?
Yes, 2 cans.
In water or oil?
Water is lighter.
2 cans in water.
Good.
Beans and corn look tempting.
Not on the list.
Dandan MCC Han.
Stick to the list.
Okay, I won't buy them.
Nice control.
We move on.
Yes.
The aisle numbers help.
Easy navigation.
We walk calmly.
No rush.
Cold drinks here.
Choose wisely.
Orange juice.
Vitamin C.
Apple juice.
Good balance.
So the shelf.
Just one.
This says zero sugar.
Healthier choice.
Bottles go at the bottom.
Always.
The cart still looks empty.
That's okay.
Should we add more?
No.
You stop me.
To save money.
The list is done.
Great job.
Cold air again.
Frozen section.
Many pizza boxes.
Choose one.
I want two.
One is enough.
You hold up one finger.
One means one.
Okay, one pizza.
Good control.
Ice cream freezer.
One tub.
Vanilla.
Safe choice.
Close the lid.
Keep it cold.
Cold mist disappears.
Time to leave.
We walk away calmly.
Well done.
Self-checkout area.
You know this now.
No line.
Perfect timing.
I scan smoothly.
Like a pro.
Beep sound.
That means success.
Cold items together.
Smart packing.
Bags fill neatly.
Very clean.
Payment screen.
Almost done.
I tap my card.
Easy.
Receipt prints.
Keep it.
I feel confident.
You should.
We push the cart outside.
Nice and calm.
Dags go into the car.
Not too many.
I take a deep breath.
Shopping without stress.
You give me a thumbs up.
You did great.
Shopping feels easy now.
You shop like a pro.